Welcome to Luxury Pro Ratings. In this video, we're going to connect our Realtor.com profile and pull in those reviews into our Luxury Pro Ratings profile. Let's go. So I'm logged into the dashboard. You'll see that there's a lot of different review sites that you can pull in from. Navigate to Realtor.com. What you want to do is you want to find your Realtor.com profile. And we're going to pull that URL. This URL is the top of the browser. You'll copy that and you're going to paste that profile into your luxury profile rating. Hit save. It'll pull out a lot of these other IDs that we need. And then we'll go and fetch the reviews if you want to pull them in now. We also sync weekly. So all those reviews will be pulled into your dashboard. You'll see those in your reviews dashboard. You can sort by source. As an example, and you'll see them all sourced by Realtor.com. They're also going to publish into your AI-friendly search profile on Luxury Pro Ratings. So as you scroll down, you'll have a section for all your different reviews. We pull in reviews from Google, Facebook, Zillow, Realtor.com, and we can also pull in reviews from other places. Just need the source. You'd send a support ticket to info@luxuryproratings.com, and we can help you with that. If you have any other issues, feel free to reach out to us, but we look forward to helping you being found online on luxuryproratings.com. Take care.